Hi, it's Sasha from HomeDesigns AI. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Furniture Finder tool designed to help you identify and purchase furniture directly from your designs. The Furniture Finder tool automatically recognizes furniture in your uploaded images and generated designs, providing you with direct purchase links and detailed information. Let's take a look at what the Furniture Finder tool actually does. All you have to do is upload a clear, high quality image of the space that you want the AI to identify, and then simply select the country so that it provides you with the right results. And HomeDesigns will automatically identify the different pieces of furniture for you and provide you with the direct purchase link. If you don't like it, HomeDesigns AI gives you so many different options to explore alternatives. So HomeDesigns AI will provide you with so many different alternatives if it cannot find you the exact match. To get the best results with the Furniture Finder tool, number one, use clear images, so avoid blurry pictures and avoid screenshots. And number two, HomeDesigns AI might not always be able to find the exact piece of furniture you're looking for, but they do provide so many alternatives, so explore these. Furniture Finder tool is perfect for a variety of users. Homeowners who have just redesigned their space virtually on HomeDesigns AI can easily upload this into the Furniture Finder tool and source the pieces of furniture to make their dream space become a reality. Interior designers can find the exact pieces of furniture and decor elements to replicate particular designs. Realtors can also enhance property listings by using specific pieces of furniture. For example, they can share with potential buyers the direct links to replicate the designs they saw in the virtually staged home. Retailers who showcase their furniture virtually can easily provide potential customers with direct links for their furniture. Finally, event planners, so they can easily find and source different pieces of furniture for different events, such as weddings or a corporate event. With the Furniture Finder tool, identifying and purchasing furniture has never been easier. Start transforming your spaces today with HomeDesigns AI. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, our support team is here to help. Don't forget to check out the other tutorials on the different modes available on HomeDesigns AI.